Where are they? Yeah, they close up right now. They are close up right now, the unggoy. Look, we are running slowly. Ayan ang mga unggoy dito sa George Dewey. Masyado malikot. Pasa ko sa ito, te. Up, don't run, don't run. Unti-unti ata mawawala.
May baby pa.
Ayun, ayun, ayun. Oh, and ayan na. There you go. We are nearby. There you go, there you go.
Alam mo pala.
Nawala ako. Takbo lang. Asan? Yung isa? Asan?
Yung maliit ng baby.
Asan? Ayun, yan. Ayun. Yan. Ayan ang boba. Why are you running? Sila kanina. Sila dito kanina. Iba yung dito kanina. Doon tayo kanina.
Babaan na. Tawag siguro sa kanila. Wala naman sa inyo.
Tago kayo. Tago-tago ka. Takot na naman kayo. Laking puno niyan, Teo.
Ayan.
Oh.
Nalaglagan.
Look at that.
Ano kayo mga puno na yan? Parang pula na.
Di ba? Ano yan?
Yung
Ang taas na puno yun. Alam ko yan. Sinabi na sa akin. Nakalimutan ko lang eh.
Merong pangalan yan eh. Alam ko meron kayo.
We are now in George Dewey. This is a virgin forest of Subic Bay, Freeport Zone. We saw a monkey but they are running. The monkey right here is very... Ano ba yung mailap eh?
Ski, nakakalimutan.
Oh, basta is okay.
They're not tender.
The other monkey is not like that. In part of QB, because the housing of QB, they're giving food to the monkeys.